Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can receive money with MoneyGram. So, MoneyGram is going to be a platform or a banking platform that could be used to send and receive money internationally. They have a lot and tons of agent all around the world and also offices that you can head over these offices and you're going to send money or receive money from these offices. So the receiving money process that we are going to talk in this video is going to be in two options. Either you are going to receive money into your bank account or your mobile banking app. So you're going to get a notification from one of these providers, or it is going to be a physical or a pickup receivement that you are going to have. So that is going to be onto the agent offices. So you are going to search for the local agent that you have into your area. You can find them on having your way on moneygram.com. Then you are going to find a location. Click on MoneyGram agent location. Then you are going to type in your location, set up the zip code of yours, city or state, and then you are going to see the nearest one in your country. So after you have set that, you're going to complete a form if it is going to be applicable. And that form is going to have the information about you and also the sender information that they will give you or send you with the money. So you're going to get these informations. And the last thing is going to be receiving your funds with a valid photo ID to the agent, giving it to the agent to receive your money. Basically, that is how simple it is to get the money or receive the money on MoneyGram internationally. It is going to be very similar to Western Union, and but here you're going to get maybe some fees that you're going to have from you or maybe the sender into this specific transaction. That was all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.